The crackle of a wood-fired sauna heater creates an authentic experience unlike any other. But to keep that flame burning safely and efficiently, regular maintenance is essential. Let's stoke your knowledge. Once your heater is fully cooled, remove ash from the firebox using a metal shovel and bucket. Leave a thin layer at the bottom. It insulates the floor and improves future burns. Always store removed ash in a metal container at least 10 feet from buildings. Inspect your firebox and grate for cracks or warping. Check your door gaskets by closing the door on a dollar bill or a piece of paper. If it pulls out easily, it's time for replacement. Using a chimney brush, clean your flue pipes to prevent dangerous creosote buildup, which can cause chimney fires. Once a year, it's good to hire a professional to deep clean your chimney. And a very important step here is to replace approximately 30 to 50% of your stones if they're cracked or crumbling. Ready to maintain your wood-fired sauna for years of safe enjoyment? Visit saunaplace.com or call 931-516-6577 for quality maintenance, supplies, replacement parts, and expert advice. Make sure to subscribe for more tips, and remember, well-maintained wood heaters deliver the authentic sauna experience nothing else can match, so give yours the care it deserves.